Looking for a replacement power adapter for your Jadoo for IPDV box? The Gytech 5V AC/DC adapter might be just what you need. This adapter is designed as a replacement for the original Jadoo 4 power supply, offering a convenient and reliable power solution. One of the key benefits of this adapter is its wide input voltage range, accepting 100V to 240V. This makes it suitable for use worldwide, so you don't have to worry about voltage compatibility when traveling or moving. It's a brand new replacement, not an original Jadoo adapter, but it's specifically designed to work with the Jadoo 4. The Gytech adapter also incorporates several protection features. It has over-voltage protection, over-current protection, and short-circuit protection. These features help safeguard your Jadoo 4 media box from potential damage due to power surges or other electrical issues. Efficiency is another important aspect. This adapter is designed for high power exchange efficiency, which helps to control the working temperature and ensure stable operation. This means it should run cool and quietly, even when delivering full power to your Jadoo 4. The package includes just the adapter charger itself, so make sure you're only replacing a faulty adapter and not looking for any additional cables or accessories. Before ordering, double-check that this is the correct adapter for your Jadoo 4 model to avoid any compatibility issues. In terms of design, it's small and lightweight, making it easy to store and transport. If you need a replacement adapter for travel, this won't add much bulk to your bag. The black color is neutral and should blend in with most setups. Overall, the Gytech 5V AC/DC adapter appears to be a solid replacement option for a lost or damaged Jadoo 4 power supply. With its worldwide compatibility, protection features, and efficient design, it offers a reliable way to keep your media box powered up. Just be sure to confirm compatibility before purchasing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.